Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to mark important messages in WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. First, open your WhatsApp app and go to the chat where the message is located. Then scroll and find the specific message you want to mark. After that, tap and hold on the message for a second. Once you do that, you will see a menu appear on your screen. Among the options, you'll see a star icon. Simply tap on the star icon, and now your message is starred and marked as important. You can always go back later and find all your starred messages by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner and selecting Starred Messages. This feature is really helpful if you want to save important information like addresses, phone numbers, or important notes. And that's it. So that's basically how you can mark important messages in WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.